This is your sort for September 23rd, 2015. Begin the sort by clicking on the top right-hand corner of your screen and clicking on Shuffle Cards. Next, I want you to place the black header cards at the top of your screen. Now let's talk about what the cards mean. First, we see the long O card. That is for words that have the long O sound, such as bone. Let's stretch out the sounds in the word bone again. Bone. As you can hear, you can really hear that long O sound in bone. The letter says its name. Now let's talk about the short O card. This card is for words that have the short O sound, as in sock. Let's stretch out the sounds in the word sock. S-a-k. Did you hear the sound that the letter O made? It made a short O sound. S-a-k. Sock. Oddball words are those that look like they belong in the long O sort or the short O sort, but they don't quite match. Let's continue by sorting some of these words. When we see the word rock, let's say the word and figure out which header it belongs under. Rock. 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 Rock sounds like sock. So I'm going to put that right under here. Next word here I see is chop. Ch-a-p. Chop. That word sounds very similar to sock and rock. Do you hear the short O sound in those words? Sock, rock, chop. Let's look at this word here. O's, hose. That card looks like it belongs under this sort, like bone. I hear the letter O saying its name again, hose. Let's look at this word here, broke. Broke has the same sound as bone and hose. Continue sorting your words until you have them all placed. Let's also talk about the oddball words. Let's take a look at some. Now, some doesn't have a short O sound, and it doesn't have a long O sound. I almost hear a U sound, like a short U sound, but I don't have a header that is short U. But it certainly looks like it would fit under here, under broke, hose, and bone, because of the spelling pattern vowel, consonant, silent E. However, it doesn't have the same sound, so I'm going to put some in the oddball category. Continue sorting those words and be careful of one more word that is going to look like it belongs in the long O group or the short O group, but really doesn't. Pay attention, very, very close attention to the sounds.